A water softener that requires no salt, no electricity, and wastes no water, yet still prevents and cleans scale buildup, extends your appliance's life with no drop in water pressure, and your skin will feel soft water smooth. Is this all too good to be true? The Springwell Futuresoft salt-free water softener can deliver exactly that. The good news is that our comprehensive guide will cover all of the essential details, including how it works, the benefits of salt-free water softening, along with the Springwell salt-free water softener product specification. Don't forget to check the description box below for additional details and exclusive Freshness Direct discounts on all Springwell products. Leave your comments for any unanswered questions, and we'll get to it as soon as possible. Springwell has a secret, but the good news is they're willing to share it. The proprietary media in the Futuresoft salt-free water softener system is impressive, but it's in the tank design with its ability to fluidize the media bed that makes it a standout water softener. Traditional salt-based water softeners process hard water using ion exchange. Hard water minerals are removed and exchanged for softer minerals. However, through fluidization, the Futuresoft media converts the hardness in your water into calcium crystals, which will not stick to any faucet, appliance, or plumbing, turning your home's water into clean, calcium-free water. What's more, it will even help clean existing scale buildup too, and you'll not be left with any of that residue feeling on your skin. The average home tends to operate with a low water flow rate. The trick is getting proper fluidization no matter what the flow rate is. Between the number of showers, loads of laundry, and dishes, there are lots of stop and start cycles placing demands on your home's plumbing and water quality. Your water softener has to keep up without restricting your water flow rate. The Springwell Futuresoft Active Flow technology was specifically designed to handle all of it, and you'll never feel a drop in water pressure, and that's guaranteed. One of the most important factors to consider about a Springwell Futuresoft salt-free water conditioning system is that they don't trap minerals, and that means you never spend time scheduling a cleaning cycle or need space in drainage for backwash. The end result is no wasted water and a much more efficient process. Note that if you have well water, it's critical to pair the salt-free softener with a whole house filter or otherwise pre-treat your water. Springwell's salt-free water softener system boasts 3 impressive configurations. The 3 unique salt-free water softeners can handle 20 to 81 psi and work at a vast range of temperatures. As an upflow water softener, all configurations can clean the resin bed much more evenly and efficiently than a downflow water conditioning system. Additionally, your Springwell Futuresoft works hard to keep your pH perfectly balanced between 7 and 9.5. The FS1, it's perfect for a home with 1 to 3 bathrooms, guaranteed to provide 99.6% scale prevention and absolutely no chemical additives or salt. The FS1 softens up to 12 gallons per minute, and it measures 6 inches wide and 35 inches high. The FS4, for homes with 4 to 6 bedrooms, and can handle multiple showers and appliances simultaneously. The FS4 softens 15 gallons per minute, and it measures 9 inches wide by 48 inches tall. The FS Plus, for 7+ bathrooms, you're definitely using a high water flow in differentials and water pressure. The FS Plus is the gold standard of salt-free water softeners. The FS Plus softens a whopping 20 gallons per minute and measures 13 inches wide by 54 inches tall. Here's what's included with the Springwell Futuresoft system. Springwell makes it easy for you to install your Futuresoft salt-free water softening system with a comprehensive package that rivals the competition. Included are the pre-filter housing and 5-micron sediment filter, a filter designed to remove particles in municipal and well water smaller than 5 microns or much too small to see without a microscope. You receive O-rings and mounting brackets, a spanner wrench, a hose bib assembly, a bypass valve, It's one of the most important components. The bypass valve controls the pressure in your water softening system by diverting a portion of the water flow to keep the pressure balanced. You'll also receive 1-inch fittings and a very impressive warranty, an industry-leading lifetime warranty guaranteed from any manufacturing defects on tanks and valves, plus a 6-month money-back satisfaction guarantee. If you're a DIY kind of person, Springwell makes installing your Futuresoft, salt-free, whole-house water softening system easy. On the flip side, if you've never approached the thought of installing a water conditioner, consider calling a plumber for a free estimate so you don't get stuck mid-installation. In either case, the robust installation kit and manual, backed by Springwell's top customer support, makes installation as easy as can be. Because the kit includes the bypass valve and 1-inch elbow fittings, you just need to get the appropriate piping and fittings to attach the system, and you're off and running. You can even watch the installation video on the Springwell website. Overall maintenance is very low. You only need to replace the 5-micron pre-filter every 6 to 9 months, which is about $40 for a 2-pack. Other than that, the Futuresoft is hands-off after you install it. Here are the pros. It's built in the USA with certified premium components. No slimy residue or offensive aroma. Preserves your home's plumbing. Does not lower water pressure flow rate. Does not require salt or electricity. You'll receive a helpful installation kit and complete instructions. Finally, you'll always receive first-class customer support. Here are the cons. Extra plumbing and parts may be required. Additional drain lines recommended by Springwell users. Does not remove calcium minerals, but converts them. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.